Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Life with Lo. So in today's video, we are finally putting our decorations up, our Christmas decoration. We are very chill, we have our PJs on, and we're ready to roll. But before we start, this video is a collaboration with Nadia. She is a stay-at-home mom of two beautiful kids. She has a boy and a girl. She loves doing cleaning videos. She loves doing vlogs and also maternity videos, so you guys definitely have to check her out. She is such a sweetheart, and I'll post her link below, and also follow her on Instagram because she is so sweet, and she does videos that are Spanish and videos that are English, so that's pretty awesome. So make sure you check her out. And she is also doing a Christmas decor at her house, which she is super excited to record this also with me. So without further ado, let's get this video started.
So George, he usually starts with the tree. He gets it out and open all the branches so it'll be nice and full. And then I go, while George is still doing the tree, I start the fireplace, which I was having a really hard time putting this by myself. It kept falling and I had to put it back up. So I pretty much gave up and I asked George for help because I couldn't do it alone. I did get this beautiful garland over at Kohl's when the season was over, so I did get a really good discount on this beautiful garland, and it does light up too, so I thought it was beautiful. So now I put our beautiful stockings, which I think it's time to change their stockings because it still says baby A and baby B. I haven't had a chance to buy new stockings for them yet. If you're wondering what I use to keep this mug not falling out, it is very easy. I don't remember where I found it, but it is called museum wax. So all you have to do, it comes with a little wooden spoon. You just take it a little bit and then you make it into a little ball with your fingers, and then you just place it on the items that you don't want it to fall off or slip off. You just place it on there and that's it. I use this a lot around my house. I also got this beautiful red truck from Kohl's when the season was over. Super good price. And then I also have this awesome sign that, as you can see, it says thankful. Then you switch it around and it says joy.
Reminds me to call, 'cause I know if you're not here then it's not Christmas at all. But this year
So I got super excited because I forgot that I have the Believe container from Raedunn, and I found this beautiful flower bouquet from Michael's last year, and it was such a good price, so I had to get a couple of little bouquets. So I found this beautiful frame from Raedunn that I love, but we are just waiting to get our Christmas pictures so we could put it inside this beautiful frame. And this is what Christmas is all about. My boys' first time seeing the tree. They were so excited playing with it. This just made my heart melt. It was so much fun having them there. One thing George and I like to do together is put up our ornaments that mean so much to us. We like to put those first. So my husband is the master of the tree. He has to put his final touches to make it just perfect. Alright everyone, this is it for my video for my Christmas decoration with me. Thank you so much for taking the time and joining us on this video. Also, don't forget to go to my friend's channel and check her decorations out for her Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also Nadia's, and give us some love and like this video. Thanks so much and Merry Christmas.